We're out at Northeast Factory Direct once again with the owner, Alex Nemeth. Thank you so much,
Thank
Alex, for joining us. All right, listen, you save thousands, not hundreds, thousands. How do you do it, and what do you have in the store?
So really simple. Our place isn't fancy. It's about a tenth of what it would cost in a high-rent retail area. We buy truckload after truckload after truckload and just pass that savings on to the customer.
All right, what do we have behind us? Sea of furniture.
So we have dining room sets, we have bedroom sets, we have living room sets, we have pool tables, we have bars, and of course our kitchen cabinets are an absolute home run.
And you have something new that I'm very excited about. Talk about it.
So for the outside of the house, of course, we have our hot tubs. We're the only people that have the lifetime warranty on the hard covers in the area. But what we're really excited about is our patio furniture. We've rolled out a nice line of patio furniture that'll save people thousands.
East side, west side, or simply go to northeastfactorydirect.com.